Have you ever spent hours and hours on your sales page, your Humanics page, your social media, your sales proposals, and you're still not getting paid clients, selling tickets, getting the cash flow that you need to grow your business? It's not your offer. It's not your pricing. It's your messaging. And today, I'm going to show you how to fix that. Welcome to Inner Business, the podcast that delves deep into the soul of entrepreneurship. My name is Selena Woodward, seasoned business owner, qualified business coach, and intuitive guide. I'm going to offer you actionable steps to increase your revenue whilst we explore how you are showing up in your business. Let's explore the blocks and connect the dots on your journey to business fulfillment. Now, you see, most businesses think they have a sales problem or a lead problem, but reality strikes when they realize that no matter how many channels they try to get leads, it's not changing because they have a messaging problem. When your message is unclear, your sales page won't be converting. That means lots of people are looking, but they're not making any sales. You're attracting the wrong kind of clients or none at all. And you keep explaining what you do, but people don't seem to get it, to understand. Because if your messaging isn't clear, specific, and client-focused, focused on what they need, what their problem is, how you're going to help, they will walk away confused. And confused people always say no. But when your message is clear, consistent, repeatable, and shows them how you're going to solve their problem, clients are naturally drawn to you effortlessly. So how do you fix this problem? Well, you need a simple messaging formula based on some tried and tested business strategies. And of course, I've got one for you in this episode. The first step is a clear one-liner. This is what you say when someone asks you, what do you do? How can you help me? It's part of your everyday sales pitch. It's part of who you are. It's how you show up and how you communicate with everyone in the hopes that it will attract your ideal customer. If this one-liner isn't clear, concise, and well written, it's going to confuse people. Are you experiencing that right now? So what is the formula for getting your one-liner right? It has 3 ingredients. It has your ideal client in it. That's who you love working with. Your desired transformation, the difference that you're going to make by selling them some flowers, counseling them, doing a womb healing, working NLP with them, selling them some merchandise that you've created. What's the difference you're going to make without their biggest fear? What is it that you're going to avoid for them that they're worried about? Those 3 things, to recap: who your ideal client is, the desired transformation that you want to make for them, and how you're going to do that without their worst nightmare coming alive. So, for example, if someone said, hey, Selena, what do you do? I would never say, oh, I do branding, or I'm a coach. Instead, I would say something like, ideal client, I help intuitive entrepreneurs do what? What's the transformation? Craft a magnetic message without biggest fear, without feeling salesy. I help intuitive entrepreneurs craft magnetic messages so they can attract clients without feeling salesy. Way better than I do branding, right? So pause this video, stop listening, try this for yourself, okay? Ideal client, I help ideal client achieve desired transformation without biggest fear. Pause, go on, write it down. What did you get? Write in the comments below what you came up with. And if you're looking for a guide to help you do this, the good news is I've put all 3 of these wonderful little formulas into a freebie for you. And the link for that is in the description below. Woohoo! All right. So that was your first one. Get your one-liner right so it attracts attention from the right people. Okay, step 2. This involves defining things. Many of us make the mistake of talking about what we do, not what our clients need. And if you haven't spent the time really defining your clients' pain points and desires, how on earth are you going to show them that you are the answer to their prayers? You can't, because you don't know what they're asking for. Okay, so here are some questions I want you to ask right now, and I want you to write down the answers. All right, so use these prompts to help you understand your clients better, know what their biggest pain is, and know what they want, so you can start talking about that in your message. Question 1, complete this sentence. My ideal client struggles with... What does your ideal client struggle with? At the Seasonal Bunch, I know we've talked about the clients who struggle with getting organized in time for Valentine's Days, birthdays, dinner at Mother's. So we make sure we've always got flowers available, really high quality flowers available that look like they've pre-ordered them, but just the quality at the Seasonal Bunch is so good that they don't have to. They can still be disorganized. You know who I'm talking about, right? They're not just a florist. Their clients need to have good quality bouquets ready at an instant because they've forgotten, basically. What does your ideal client struggle with? At Adelaide Colonics, we mapped out the fact that the client's really struggling with gut health. They're struggling with being embarrassed when they're out for dinner, not knowing what to eat and having to know where the loo is. Like, what are they struggling with? You got some ideas? All right, the second phrase. We know what they struggle with. Getting organized and ordering flowers or awful gut pain. All right. How does that make them feel? How does it make them feel that they have to put up with this struggle? Okay, so it's for the guy who forgot flowers again for their wife's birthday or Mother's Day, or it makes them feel like the worst son or the worst husband in the world. They want to avoid that feeling. And guess what? Tanya at the Seasonal Bunch can help them do that. Woohoo! But the person who's got the bloated gut at Adelaide Colonics, who I work with, they really want to not feel embarrassed when they go out for dinner. They want to feel free to eat whatever they want. And guess what? Manya at Adelaide Colonics can help them with that. Woohoo! Get it? So your ideal client struggles with blah, and this makes them feel, insert. And this is just plain wrong because. Now, you can talk about what they deserve. That's really easy. They deserve. So this is plain wrong because you're not a bad husband or son. You're just really busy. And we want to help you make sure that you get a look of absolute love and pride from your mom or your wife, not disappointment. This is plain wrong because you deserve to go out and eat dinner and not have to worry about where the loo is. Colonics. Get it? Now, when you put those things together, you have another really powerful message that you can use in your socials, on your website, etc. Really simple formula. What does your client struggle with? How does it make them feel? And why is that just plain wrong? Okay, so instead of saying, I help people with branding or with their business, I can say, I help frustrated entrepreneurs, that's how they're feeling, who are struggling with, who aren't landing the clients they want because their message isn't clear. And I do that because I want to help them turn their words into a client magnet, because the clients deserve to find the person who's finally going to help them solve their problem. Did you hear that? I used all three elements. That's so much more powerful than sign up to my retreat where we have a great weekend and you'll walk away transformed. No, I don't know what that is. Yeah, if your ideal client at your retreat, who are they? What do they struggle with? How does it make them feel? And why is that wrong? What are you going to do about it? This is good, huh? You got some good coffee already? Make sure you share it in the comments. We'll have a little look. Right, step 3. It's really important. Now you've shared your message, we need to make sure that we have what we call a CTA, a call to action. Below me now in a ribbon should be a link to a video, or I'll pop it on this top here. There's lots of videos in my podcast stream about CTAs, calls to action. I want you to remember that you can nurture your market all you like and get curious and show them what you do and show them your authority and follow all the elements of the brand script like that. But if you never actually ask them to make a decision, they're not going to. So you need to make sure that you have a really good quality call to action, or CTA. Now, if I come and look at your website or your Humantics page or your socials and you're telling me to learn more, That's too vague, and it's asking me to burn more calories to find out more. I shouldn't need to learn more because my messaging is so clear now. I don't need to learn because I get it. Do you see the difference? Instead, I want action-driven CTAs. So for coaches, book a free messaging clarity call with me, selenawoodward.com/book. You should do that if you want. We can talk this through. Service providers who are using Instagram, DM the word magnetic for a free messaging audit. You use Instagram and ManyChat or Ivory, whatever you're using there. Course creators, download my messaging magic checklist. The link is below. You hear the words, download, DM me, book a call. Yeah? It's asking them to take a step. So make sure when you look at your website, you look at your socials, if you're looking at your Instagram, because that's how you get out there in the world, how many posts have you done in the last 2 weeks where you've got a call to action? Have you forgotten to do that? Because if your messaging is awesome, but you don't give them a place to take action, they won't. Look at your landing page. How easy is it to connect with you and take action? Go check, go make some changes. Let's see what happens. Comment below what you discover. Now that I've given you these 3-step frameworks, and of course, like I say, you can download this as an ebook. Just head to the description below. And if you're listening to this on the podcast, then head to selenawoodward.com/magic, and you will find all the details about messaging magic there, ready for you to go. All right. So you've got this book and you can work through it. You can choose to take action now, either with my video or using the PDF and a cup of coffee and a pen and paper, whatever suits you. But what happens if you don't? What happens if you go, it's fine, can't be bothered? Well, I hope that's not you, because you've just invested 13 minutes of your time. But if you don't, the consequences for not fixing your messaging means that you won't attract the clients because your message still isn't clear. So you will keep attracting the wrong people or no one at all. You'll keep struggling to explain what it is that you do and the difference that you make. And you'll watch potential clients keep choosing someone else. And it will feel really heavy and hard. So if you fix it, if you follow some of these steps, you will attract the right clients effortlessly because they won't need much more information. Selling will become natural to you. I was talking to one of my clients today who's been practicing over and over and over and over and really embodying what it is that she does, and it's really helped her business to totally flourish. She is doing so well with the number of clients booking in. It's untrue. I really love it. I want to celebrate her, and I'm going to get her on the podcast to share with you how she took her brand script and then all the things that have happened since, because it's a great story. Anyway, selling, trust me, will just become natural because it won't feel like selling. You're just sharing what you do. And you love what you do, right? And your business will feel aligned because you're working with people who actually truly understand what you're doing and why, because you've been able to communicate it clearly. Does that sound nice? Yeah, well, if you found this helpful, make sure you grab that free magnetic messaging formula guide, link in the description. And if you want my eyes on your messaging, I would love to. I'm glad you asked. We can fix it together. So you can book a free clarity call with me anytime by heading to selenawoodward.com/book. That's SELENA/book. Now, drop your one-liner in the comments because I'd love to give you feedback. That's another way I can help you. And I'm also really curious, what is the hardest part for you about crafting your message? I wonder if there are any blocks there. Let me know in the comments below. And if this was helpful to you and your business, I want you to hit like and subscribe so you never miss another episode, because over the next few weeks, I'm going to be diving even deeper into how your messaging can work better for you. My name is Selena Woodward, Biz Coach Selena, and I will see you next time on the Inner Business Podcast. Take care.